Yo, what's going on, everybody? Back with another video, and this one's going to be on the old GMC. Company reached out to me, and I get a lot of these companies that do this with rock lights and lighting accessories. So what we got here is the MICTUNING Q1 Max LED rock lights, pure white. And I just want to give you guys like a side-by-side comparison to the rock lights as well, of the ones I get from Amazon compared to these. Like, that is like night and day difference. Let me pull this plastic off the way we can see them. I ordered, well, they sent me the 12 count, because I always, when I do rock lights, I always put 2 under each wheel well, and then I also do 2 under the, well, 1 under the driver door and 1 under the passenger door on both sides. So 12 is usually what I try to go for when it comes to rock lights. And one thing that kind of sucks with this kit is it doesn't come with the wiring harness, so you essentially have to buy it or buy some like stranded wire from, like, this is what I got from AutoZone, some 16 gauge 100-foot roll of black, and then I got a 100-foot roll of the red as well. And then I also got a little switch. This is what I have in the Ford truck as well. So once we get everything wired up, we can just pop it into the dash and it's good to go. I do have a built-in fuse that I bought from AutoZone as well. And I think that's it. Then I bought like some, I think these are butt connectors to use as well. I was gonna get a soldering gun to solder the wires together, but I wasn't doing all that. Haven't done it in the past, never had issues with, you know, the stuff coming apart. But yeah, check out that rock light. That thing is huge. And it's got like, what's that, 6, 12, 18. Shoot, man, that's 24 on each pod. That's crazy. 24 little LED light bulbs, I guess you'd say, or I don't know what you'd call them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and get started. So essentially what I'm gonna do, take all the wheel well liners out and go ahead and get all the rock lights put into them, and then I'll wire everything up and then put them back on and then drop the wire down, and then I'll do the 2 under each side. And I'll actually show you guys a comparison to the ones that I got on the Ranger as well. And actually I can do it at night as well to show you guys, you know, which one's brighter. So there those are. And they're kind of small. They're not... Those only have 4 light bulbs in them, and these got 24. So hopefully these bad boys are going to be super bright. We'll find out. Another thing that I've been thinking about doing on the Ranger, that's a little side tangent, is getting a light bar for down here. Because they do have like some little spots that a bolt can go in. So I might do some kind of light bar here. Which I know this is for the intercooler there, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start taking these fender liners out on the old GMC. And yeah, once I get everything wired up, I'll show you guys how I did it, and where I ran everything and how it looks. And then, well, actually it'll probably be dark time by the time you guys see it, because it's already like 2:30-ish, and it gets dark around 5:40. So it'll probably be dark, which is perfect, because then I can show you guys, you know, how bright it is compared to the ones on the Ranger. Just in case any of you guys want to pick these bad boys up. I will leave a link in the description for them and the stuff that I got from AutoZone. That way, if you wanted to buy, you know, the same kind of wiring, you'll know what to get. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause it here. And when I pick the video back up, you'll see how this thing looks with the rock lights on at night. So stay tuned. Yup. All right, everybody. So it's actually 2 days later. No, a day later. Got the lights on. They look good. Honestly, they don't look much brighter than the ones on the Ranger. I'm gonna pull the Ranger up beside it, that way you guys can see how they look as well. But it doesn't look too much brighter, honestly. I don't know, they might be. It might just be the lighting, because it's not completely dark right now. But we got everything wired up. I will say these rock lights are a little bit more of a hassle, just because you got to make your own wiring harness. It doesn't come with one. Whereas the ones that are on the Ranger, it comes with a pre-wired wire loom, built-in relay, you know, the whole 9 yards. So there's no cutting wire, splicing stuff together, and there's already a switch. I mean, everything's already there for what you need. With this kit here, you just get the rock lights, and then you have to buy, you know, your separate wiring. I went with 16 gauge wire, and ran basically a line from this front all the way back to the back where I had the lines coming down for that set of rock lights, and same thing on the other side. I put the switch in. I'll show you guys how I did the switch. I wanted it out of the way because I don't plan on doing any more lighting on this truck. So what I did with the switch is I put it actually right there. You probably can't see it, but it's right here. Just a little toggle switch. I didn't want to put it up here because, like I said, if I do away with the rock lights, I didn't want it to be, you know, just a blank switch there for nothing. But I mean, as far as quality goes on the lights, they feel like they're really good. I think they're made out of aluminum, if I'm not mistaken. Real good quality lights. Like, they seem like they're gonna hold up pretty good. We got one under driver, one under passenger, and then 2 under each wheel well. So altogether we got 12. I might try to do 13 and put one in the front underneath the grill. That way it's lit up front as well. But I'm gonna wait until I get the truck probably lift it a little bit more. I want to do like a 4.5 inch lift kit, and then 35s, and I'm probably going to leave this thing alone. But yeah, I mean, definitely look good. Like I said, I don't know how much brighter these are compared to the ones on the Ranger, which I will. I'm about to pull the Ranger up on the other side, and then we're going to get like a comparison, but I'm going to let it get a little bit darker, not much. That way we can actually see, because looking at it from here, I feel like they're about the same, to be honest. But like I said, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna jump in the Ranger, pull it on the other side, and then let it get a little bit darker. Then we'll flip both of them on, and we'll get like a side-by-side comparison of the two. As far as pricing goes, I know these here, they were like $106 plus tax. The ones on the Ranger, I want to say they're about the same, if I'm not mistaken. I'd have to go back and look on that video, but I think it's about the same price. But you get the wiring harness and all that good stuff, which I haven't had any issues with the ones on the Ranger. But like I said, these pods in the beginning, you guys could see how much bigger these pods were compared to the Ranger. So I'm expecting these to be brighter, just off build quality. But like I said, we'll know more once it gets a little bit darker, and pull the Ranger over, you know, and cut those on. That way we can get us a side-by-side. But yeah, I'm gonna pause the video, pull the Ranger up, and then when I pick it back up, it'll be a little bit darker, and we'll have us a side-by-side comparison. So stay tuned. All right, everybody. So here's the comparison. And I'm gonna be honest, I feel like the ones on the Ranger are a little bit clearer in color. I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Like I said, the Ranger has a different brand. I actually have a video on which brand I used on the truck. But it's got 12 rock lights as well, 2 in each wheel well, 2 under, you know, the doors, and then back wheel wells are the same. Basically the same amount of rock lights. I feel like the Ranger is more of a white color, to be honest. I don't know if you guys can tell by the video, but it definitely looks like it. Let's get a little bit closer. I know this glare is terrible. There's kind of a comparison now that glare is gone. So I don't know, this kind of looks more white actually. That's just more of a clearer color, honestly. In person you can really tell a big difference. But yeah, I mean, there's the comparison. Like I said, same amount of rock lights on each truck, different brand. This over here on the GMC's the MICTUNING, and then these I want to say are LED Mercy. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's what they are. I know their rock lights didn't have, as you can see, 2 and then 2. But you can see the color is just a lot more crisp over here. Let's go. Well, I don't know, man. I don't know. That's gonna be close. As you get close up on it, they kind of look the same. But you would think, because these over here, they got like 24 singular light, like, I don't know what you call them, the LEDs, like single, like there's 24 in each rock light. Over here, we only got 4 in each one. So for the light comparison, I mean, it's not really much of a difference. And you know, these got 24 and that's only got 4 in each pod. So that's saying something. Lead Mercy might be onto something. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I will leave a link in the description for the MICTUNING. It's because any of you guys want to pick them up. Like I said, the quality on the MICTUNING feels better than the ones on the Ranger as far as like the weight and how durable they feel. As far as brightness, I feel like, I don't know, I feel like it's more clear on the Ranger, and then these here are more of a brighter white. So I mean, it's really hard to pick between the two, because they both look, you know, kind of the same, just a different kind of white essentially. As far as price difference, I think they're both about the same for the lights. Now with those, you will get the wiring harness and everything you need. With the MICTUNING, you only get the lights. You have to buy the wiring harness and stuff separate, unless you make your own like I did, and then, you know, that's another 70 bucks. So it just depends on how you want to go about it. You know, over here it's going to be a little bit more user friendly. This here is going to take a little bit more know-how, but you'll get the same outcome with either one. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, because like I said, we got a lot more stuff coming for both trucks. We're just trying to get some of the minor stuff done before we start doing the big stuff. But yeah, I'm not gonna throw any hints at you guys, but yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.